Marilyn Monroe, Marilyn Monroe, Marilyn Monroe, Marilyn Monroe, yeah, Marilyn Monroe, Marilyn Monroe, Marilyn Monroe, Marilyn Monroe. Fuck that, but I hate when women lie. I'm still a man and all wounds can help, but I hate the way I feel inside. I want the shit to work, but this bitch is thirsty, so time to realize. She got me up all night, blowing up her phone, but another's on her time. Ay. Used to wear matching J's, wanna be the prom king of the prom